Okay, so to make your card, you're gonna start with a blank um, card. And this is because this is the easiest way to do this. Um, and it's really simple. All you have to do is add your image and upload it. And you should have already cropped your images as I told you to do. Um, so then all you have to do is change the size. The size that I've made mine is 22.75, and that's all you have to do. And then now you just add your images. So add your about me, add your links, add your bias lists, or mine are called loves, and then add the bar at the bottom of your Apple Music. And you just expand, and there's your first page. But now you have to link them. So you go back to your images and then your link URLs, and you just put in about me, links, loves, or whatever else you were going to put there. And then now we move on to actually making the pages. And to make the pages, you just add a control and then label it the same thing that you labeled the corresponding image, and then add another image and choose your about me image, expand it, and then crop it. This is not going to be perfect, but it's okay because I've already made one for myself. And then change the link URL to home, so that when you press this page, or when you press this picture, it's going to take you back to your playlist. And now we have to add text. So you get a container and you make sure it's default. Make sure that it is the same size as your actual main, which is 32, 3, and 4. But then you're going to make sure that this is 2 and 0. And then you're going to add text, and I'm just going to bold it because that's what mine looks like, and insert header. Bold, and also that's bolded and italicized, and it is in default and it's size 1, but on my card it is size 0.75. And then you put in another text box and you insert your normal text. And put it into, oh, it's already in there. Okay. And then make sure that these are left aligned, both of them. And then there you go. there's your container with your header. And then now to make the little dividers that go into this part of the card, the color code that I was able to find that matched the lines here pretty well was C9 4A, and that matches it pretty well. And then you just put it into your container, and then copy this container for however many headers you need, and then copy this image from your front page, bring it back down here, and make sure it's not in the container, and there's your About Me. Now for your links, you could just copy this, right, drag it down, and then change it to links, and then do the same thing. Add your, no, not text, not yet. Add your image, and your image should be your links image that you chose, and then crop it as best as you can, keeping that line because you want that line there to make it look as real as possible. And then you're gonna, oh wait, that's the same thing. Honestly, copy the container. Copy the container again, and then drag it back down here, and there you go. But now I'm gonna teach you how to get the links. It tells you right here, and it's really simple. Just put this, and I'm gonna put my Twitter handle, and you're gonna put the exact website. So HTTPS. Hold on. Actually, we're gonna just copy it from here because I'm lazy. And oh, I love Tumblr. There, and then bring it there. Oops. There you go. There's your links. And then for your about me, for your loves page or your bias page or whatever other page you're doing, you're gonna do the same thing, and you're gonna change this, bring in your other photo, which is this one, and then crop it to size. This is actually my Hongbin playlist in real life. Yeah. You're gonna crop that. It's probably not. No, it worked. You can see the little thing, but I'm not really bothered by it right now. And then do the same thing. Copy this and drag it down. Except now, oops. Except now, you're gonna remove the link and just put in your bias list or whatever else you're gonna put there. And then all you have to do is publish it, and you're done. So there you go.